Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Train Talks. This is the final installment of my Hornby live steam HO scale engines. This is called the Seagull. Oops. I know it looks a lot like the Mallard that I did, made a video of a few videos ago, a couple parts ago. It's essentially the same. The color is pretty well the same. Tender's the same. I have this. I'm gonna have the valve on the, let's say, on the lowest opening, which means the steam valve will be barely open. Right now I have this in superheat mode. I don't want this to go fast or anything, so that's why I have the valve just partially open, slightly open, and I only have a few cars on here, a few coaches, so I just wanted to run this one a little bit slower than the other ones I had previously run. So this is because it's my final part of my series. So it should be, yeah, oh, there we go. Yeah, I just started as soon as I touched it. That's great. Maybe it wasn't fully warmed up. Maybe it just needs a little bit more time. Like I said, the steam valve is just open like maybe 10%. 20, probably 20%. It's hard to judge. It's running pretty good. I don't want it to run fast. I just wanted to make a slower speed video today. This one runs the same as my Mallards. They still pull quite a bit. It's just that I find that for some reason the Flying Scotsman and Dwight D. Eisenhower and the Silver Link and the Papyrus run better than the Mallard and Seagull. I don't know why. I'm not sure if that's something set up. Oh, here, I'm going to open the valve a bit more here. There we go. Oops. I'm going the wrong way. Unless I ran out of water. I don't think I put water in this one, so I might have run out in the boiler, but it does have a low water alarm. It'll start beeping, it'll stop and it'll go beep, but actually no, it's okay, it's fine. Maybe I should open the valve a bit more. Let's see why it's getting stuck there also. Is there something in the way there? I'll take one of the coaches off. Yeah, maybe I'll just open up the valve a bit more. Just not making it up that hill there. Let's go back here. Okay, no, it's okay. Probably didn't have a full head of steam, that's all. Now it looks like it's fine. It does slow down a bit over there.